Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use knife in Call of Duty Mobile. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to use knife in Call of Duty Mobile, then first you'll need to equip it in your loadout. First, launch open your Call of Duty Mobile game and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are, tap on the loadout button at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to see this option. Simply go ahead and tap on the second gunsmith option at the top right, and then on the left hand side select melee. Now select the knife you'd like to use from the bottom of the screen and then tap on quick equip on the right corner. So now after you do that, you'll be able to add a knife as your secondary weapon, as you can see it right here at the top. Once you do that, you can go back and then start a game like you normally do. And then when on a game, if you want to use knife to kill your enemies, you can simply tap on the knife switcher at the bottom and you'll be able to use knife on your enemies just like that. That is how you'll be able to use knife in Call of Duty Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.